Hey everyone, today I'm doing a video about another firework shells I got. I only have three because I did three last weekend. So this is how the box looks like. It's high performance Wolfpack 6 by Phantom fireworks, and they're shells. So let's get this open. See Wolfpack image, and then it shows the symbol, the wolf. Take the tube out. This is how the tube looks like. Wolfpack shells. It's red. It's on the back side, but just the wolf. And I got one, two, three. One has orange. This one has green. And this one has purple. So there you have it. That's my little firework little stash, I guess you call it, or whatever. I don't know. But I did three videos of other fireworks where I'll post them, and with these three fireworks I will see if I can make a video about them. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe and please like. Thank you.